Welcome to Bedtime Yoga. This short yoga practice is designed to help your body and mind relax and unwind before sleep. We will finish the practice laying down on the back, so if you do this in your bed, you can even go directly to sleep. Let's get started by finding a comfortable cross-legged seat. Close your eyes and do a little scan of your body from the top of your head to your toes. Notice if there is any feeling of tightness or tension anywhere in the body. Take a big breath in through your nose. Exhale through the mouth. Letting the tension release. One more time, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And then seal your lips. Keep your eyes closed or open. And lower your right ear towards your right shoulder to feel a gentle stretch on the left side of your neck. You can stay still here or add a little movement, moving your chin up and down, side to side. Slowly bring your head back to center and then lower your left ear towards your left shoulder. Keep your right shoulder down, find a nice stretch on your neck. Add any movements if you like. Bring your head back to center. Place your right hand down to the side of your body. Reach your left arm up and lean to your right into a gentle side bend. Imagine you're trying to breathe a little deeper into your left side, stretching the shoulder, the side of the torso. Come back to center, place your left hand down, reach your right arm up and over the head. Stretching the right side. Come back to center, place your hands on your knees. With inhale, lift your chest up, pull your shoulders back, look up slightly. Exhale, lean back, round the back and drop your chin to the chest. With inhale, lift the chest, pull the shoulders back. Exhale, round, widening the shoulder blades. One more time on your own. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, round. Come back to neutral position. And then bring the soles of your feet together. Heels as close to your groin as they feel comfortable in butterfly. Hold your feet or ankles. Try to sit up tall and begin to make circles with your torso over your hips, leaning forward to the side, back and to another side. You can close your eyes here and just notice what you feel in your hips as you move. where you feel the stretch or restriction. And then reverse circles, begin to move in another direction, maybe making circles a bit bigger each time. Bring your spine back to neutral position and extend your left leg out in front of you. Keep the sole of right foot next to your left inner thigh. Adjust your seat to feel comfortable. Take an inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold down to your leg. Let your back round here. Left leg can be bent. And instead of going into your deepest forward bend or trying to increase the stretch, try to find the feeling of comfort in this pose. Let your body relax here and allow it to do what it wants to do. Maybe your left leg wants to bend even more. Maybe your head drops down to your knee. Slowly lift your torso up. Straighten your right leg, bend your left knee, placing the sole of the foot close to your right inner thigh. And same on this side, take an inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend forward. And relax every muscle in your body. Concentrate on the breath, flowing in and out from your body. And you may notice how you are going deeper into the pose with each breath, without even trying. Slowly come out of your forward bend. Bend your legs and lay down on your back. Draw the knees to your chest. Hold your shins with your hands. Widen your knees and gently press the shins down. You can stay here in the variation of reclined child's pose, or hold the outsides of your feet for happy baby. And gently press the feet down, staying still or rocking side to side on your back. Release your feet, bring the knees together, and then lower them to your right for a spinal twist. Bring your knees up to center and lower them to your left. A gentle twist on the other side. Come back to center and then extend your legs and arms out. Adjust your body in any way you like to feel comfortable here. Let your feet drop out, palms face up. Keep breathing deeply here, filling your lungs with fresh air as you inhale. And as you exhale, relax your body more deeply into the surface underneath you. Soften your face, your jaw, shoulders, arms and hands. Notice your back, your stomach, your hips. And if there is still any tension left there, let them relax. Soften the muscles in your legs and feet. Then turn attention to your mind and notice if there are any thoughts that keep coming back, keep distracting you. Let them just be or pass by without engaging with them as you bring attention back to your breath. Taking deep inhales and slow exhales. Softening your body more and more with each exhale. Take one more big breath in. Slow breath out. And then begin to move your toes and fingers, feet and hands, head side to side. I will leave you here so you can take your time to come up, or stay here and just go directly to sleep. Good night.